Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload your project or design on Behance. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, head over to Behance and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a button labeled Share Work. Go ahead and click on it to begin the upload process. After clicking Share Work, you'll be presented with a few options for what type of content you want to share. For uploading your creative work, you'll want to click on Project. This is the standard option for showcasing your design work, case studies, or any creative projects you want to add to your portfolio. Once you click Project, Behance will take you to the upload interface where you'll notice several different options for what type of content you can add to your project. You'll see options like image, video and audio, embed, Lightroom, prototype, and even 3D. These various formats give you flexibility depending on the type of work you're showcasing. Whether it's static graphics, motion design, interactive prototypes, or three-dimensional models, Behance supports a wide range of creative mediums. For this example, we're going to keep it simple and upload a static image. Go ahead and click on the image option. This is the most common choice for designers who want to showcase illustrations, graphic design work, photography, or any visual design projects. After selecting image, your computer's file browser will automatically open up. From here, navigate to the folder where your design or project file is saved. Once you locate the image you want to upload, simply double-click on it. This action will immediately begin uploading the file to your Behance project. Depending on the size of your image and your internet speed, this might take a few seconds, so just give it a moment to fully upload. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your design or project to Behance, making it visible to the creative community and potential clients who browse the platform. Your work is now part of your portfolio and ready to be discovered. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.